Hello, I'm Mrs. Douglas.
And I'm Mrs. Riebel.
We're the math specialists here at Elmwood Elementary School. Our role in the building is to help both teachers and students in and outside the classroom with math. Now you're going to notice, especially if this is your first child to Elmwood, that math instruction has changed a little bit since you were in school. We used to learn math very procedurally. You were kind of taught a formula, given the numbers, and taught how to plug it all in and make it work. We've done a lot of research and we've learned a lot about how children learn math. And so one of the things we really concentrate on is getting more of a conceptual knowledge and an understanding of numbers, how they're made, and your kids are going to get very good at pulling them apart and putting them back together and being able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication in ways that you probably didn't learn at school. So we've got a lot of great stuff in store for you.
Some of the things that you can look forward to your child learning in kindergarten are, two of the most important things are being able to count to 100 and really knowing your parts of 5. So in order to do that at home before you enter kindergarten, we're going to give you some ideas of things that you can practice before you come.
I think one of the best things you can do is have a game night. If you're playing board games with your students, especially if they involve dice or moving certain numbers of spaces forward and backward, it really teaches a lot of concepts to a young kid.
And if you have any items for counting everything is very important. Here I have a group of colored bears, and you can use this for many different things like sorting by color, by size, and then counting the groups and having conversations about things that are more and less, and putting a number, writing a number down that matches the group that they counted.
Another thing you can do are make little cards with just simple dot patterns. We really stress learning those dot patterns that you find on a dice, and then being able to recognize those numbers when they change positions and understanding what those numbers are.
Along with game night, just regular old dice, rolling a dice every day and telling you what number they see or how many or what groups they see, and you could even use 2 dice and start practicing adding, putting these dot patterns together.
Another thing that we'll strongly encourage right along with our friends the reading specialists are to read every night and make sure to include some books about math and counting. There's lots and lots of children's books that include numbers and quantities, and we want to encourage you to go ahead and have conversations about math and how you see numbers and use numbers in the real world.
But most of all, have fun and enjoy working with everything you have at home to help your child start learning about math and numeracy.
We look forward to meeting you all soon.
Thank you.